guys, it's been a long time. Today lesson I'm come to teach you how to start a number with zero in Excel. Just a simple trick that you can do with. Some people have been complaining they want to enter a contact, but the contact number cannot start with zero. Telephone number cannot start with zero. So let's start, guys. Just open my Excel. Okay. Okay. Let me give you a list of names. Okay. This one should be contact. Okay. Okay. Let me include that. Okay. Sorry, guys. Let me include the site so that you can see everything. You can view everything. Sorry. Contact data is not. Okay. So let's enter. Press enter. You see 00546. So when you press enter, you see the zero will not come. People have been complaining about this issue, so it's just teach you a simple trick that you can do about it. You just highlight where you want the zero to come, just change it to test, and you re-enter, you enter zero. That's all. The problem is fixed. Thank you guys for watching.